There's something really disturbing going on. Everyone knows you should keep milk dogs at bay, and this woman's actually like taking care of one. I'm actually really upset.
She's got a t-shirt that says Taipei 101 Mall.
She needs the frickin' no danger when she sees it.
Yeah, there's a milk dog.
Who the frick puts a milk dog in your... Look at that! You see she almost crashed because it's biting her.
Yeah,
Who
milk
puts a
dog in her
frickin'
crotch?
milk dog in her scooter?
I know, it's pretty
Insane, immoral.
Yep.
I remember you left my spirit. With you high is all I'm feeling. Remember how we felt alive. I remember you make me stronger. Can't go without it much longer. Remember.
So Seamook, what do you reckon about riding around here at night, by the way?
You know what's stupid?
What?
I don't care about anything right now other than the fact there's wind on me.
I know.
That was the hottest experience ever.
We've
Well,
just
like top 10.
We were literally, this was Guangdong hot.
It is.
That's a new thing we've made up, by the
GD
way.
hot.
GD hot is Guangdong hot.
Right.
Because we have been sitting there, and some of you may have seen, we had a couple beers, right?
Right.
We had 2 beers, but we sweat them out within seconds.
I mean, I don't know that I drank beer. I feel nothing.
Yeah,
Because my body's like, no, get rid of that. That's going to cool you down.
yeah. It was absolutely horrific.
You know what sucks?
What?
Is that I look around me and
Yeah.
no one else is sweating. Maybe that's what we can talk about.
Yeah, okay. Well, it's a pretty well-known fact that Chinese people have less pores.
Right.
You know,
Right.
it's scientifically proven.
They're not less poor.
Yeah. Okay, they've got less
Sorry.
sweat pores, okay?
Right, right.
And also something to do with lipids and all that stuff,
Right,
lipids in the
right.
blood. But literally, Chinese people sweat way less than us foreigners, right? Us white
Well,
monkeys.
yeah, right.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. The thing is, it's absolutely true, and it's so strange because it gets so hot in Guangdong where we
Mhm.
live, right? And
Yes.
here too, it's
Right.
ridiculous. But
Right.
people walk around, they're not sweating at all. They're
No.
totally okay. Maybe a little bit of drop of sweat on the nose or something, right?
I did in my research for my why do Chinese people not smell episode.
Yeah.
I did find out though that Manchurians, like northern people in China, they sweat a lot more and they have body odor as well. They can't handle the heat because they come from the stock of like northern Mongolians, whereas like the people in the south came from Southeast Asian mixes and stuff.
Okay.
So like if you bring someone from Heilongjiang down here, they can't deal with it either.
okay,
They're
I
like
gotcha.
us. I found that interesting because they look the same, right? They look
Yeah.
Asian.
Oh, you're pretty racist saying they all
Hey,
look the
Winston.
same. You know, they don't really. They all
You know
have
what I
different
mean?
facial
Like they
features.
look like Asian people, right?
Oh,
so
yeah.
you know that
I mean, they
thing.
look Chinese, yeah.
Right. So what I find fascinating, this is my point, was that in Taiwan, a huge chunk of the population came here from the north, right? Northern Chinese led the Kuomintang, right?
Yeah.
So they came here.
Aren't there
How do they
tons of-
deal with it?
What about the fact that there's tons of Fujian people and stuff here? Because it's close, right?
Oh, there's tons, but I'm saying this was a home to the China that ran away,
Right.
right? So they weren't Fujian, not just Fujian people that came here. They were government leaders from Beijing and Nanjing and all those places.
Sure.
So I wonder how they dealt with it.
Yeah, that's kind of a curious question.
Yeah. But interestingly enough, you're right. The genetic difference is a real thing.
Yeah, totally. By
And
the way,
what I want to ask you, you grew
Yeah.
up in Africa.
yeah.
How do, like, black people have the same gene as us, like with body odor and stuff? So how do they deal with that temperature?
Because of the color of their skin.
Oh, wait, wasn't that worse? Doesn't it soak up all the heat?
No, but the thing is, like, they have more melanin and stuff, so that means that they can process the heat better.
Oh, okay.
I mean, also they don't get skin cancer and stuff because of
Right,
it. Like
right.
we're too dainty in the in the sun.
Don't park your bike in a hole.
Yeah. We're too dainty and all that, so we get burnt.
You say dainty, but we can handle the snow pretty well. We can
Yeah.
handle the cold. Wait,
Well, yeah, but I'm
take my
saying-
wife, put my wife in the snow, watch what happens.
She just complains.
Well, it's just not good.
Well, she's a snow prisoner.
No, she's not.
Anyway, it is what it
This
is.
is terrible.
Anyway, it is what it is.
Right.
We will continue this at another later date.
Okay.
Anyway, chat to you later. Signing off.
I'm getting B-roll of 7-Eleven right now.
Me too. I love
One of
these.
us shouldn't have a helmet on,
Why?
just so we don't look threatening.
It doesn't
I'm
matter.
not cheersing you.
I got one. I love this shit.
I want to try something new.
Yeah. Well, then get that.
Look at that.
Yeah, get that.
What is? Oh, it's pasta though. Pastafarian.
There's like a McMuffin or whatever in it.
Nah. I might try that. I'll try the pasta.
Okay. Right.
What do you want to try?
Let's get some drinks.
A hot dog?
No thanks. Look at this booze. Because this is on our episode we talked about it, right? I'm rolling, right?
Yep.
Okay. See all the booze. Valentine's. Ooh. Gold label reserve. Green label. Pretty good.
We're gonna need like a basket.
Do they have baskets here?
I think so. Because I'm loading up pretty bad.
Okay, I'll see if I can get a basket. Look,
Or
they
you
got
can
an
just carry all
ATM
this
here.
shit. This is as much as I can carry. If you can get a load of beers, I trust your judgment,
Okay.
and then it's fine.
Best trust my judgment.
But we don't have water either.
We need water.
I know. I'm aware. I'll just go this way.
Damn it.
Did you drop one?
Maybe. It's going straight back in the refrigerator and I'm replacing it with a good one. Because that's what I do.
Nice. These people are just watching you.
Who?
I'm not even joking.
But no, he's not staff.
No, I know. I'm saying they're just enjoying this.
And they can enjoy it as much as they want. Whoever takes the next exercise can have a big surprise.
It's like a villain.
That's what I do. Oh, yeah, I'll get that for you. This looks awful. I've got all I can carry right now.
Yeah, I got some too. You did a good job. You did a good job.
I'll get some more.
Excuse me. Thank you.
Huh. Why is it?
They have tattoos. You can say excuse me. I think it's cool. Bola bola bao.
Bolo bolo me. I know that's your thing, but
Try not to drop this shit. You want an Emily's bagel?
what bagel?
Emily's.
No, thank you. I like cream cheese bagels. Why? It's literally like a stand-up society, dude. It's a stand in China.
I get it. I get it.
Yeah.
I'm literally dying. She's
Yeah.
buying like medicine. No,
Yeah.
I can't really deal with this. I'm sorry.
一起的。
给它袋子。
要个袋子，谢谢。
嗯。
Yes.
两个吧。
两个。对，谢谢。因为一个不够，对，可以了啊，谢谢谢谢。两个大的。Do you want to get one more beer or something?
No, it's fine.
Okay, I think this will do.
Did you get water?
No.
Oh,
Get some water.
You silly boy.
You know me. I don't care about that.
You do. You care.
Don't care about H2O, bro. It's not my
Tell her
thing.
to dung dung.
Okay, it's okay. 等一等，他去拿水。你是水啊？
Shit. I hate when people
还
say
有这个
that.
两个水。
This little bike.
How's it going, guys?
My name's PewDiePie.
Really?
No. That cigarette brand is called Gentle.
Film some random shit like the people queuing up.
Sure.
So I get her doing her thing.
I've been doing that the whole time.
826，好，1000块，1000元。
Before. Once before really far.
好，谢谢。
1000韩元。现在他们弄路，所以我可以去那边比较快。
1000很远，现在不太远。
Right. I don't know
Gotcha.
why I just said that.
It's
I'm
kind
filming.
of like
I'm filming the big "Don't Film" sign,
yeah, good.
and no dogs.
Yeah. Oof.
I think we're guilty of. I feel hotter than I've ever been
Yeah, I know. It's actually just ridiculous.
in the world. Like the whole.
Oh
my god. Oh my god. These now.
I know
people
you
have
like
to wait.
ru. You want a jia ru.
These people have to wait for us.
No, they don't.
Oh, they don't. Yeah.
Because she's jiang ru and we're just standing on the side. Okay, what can I film? Just film all these people. I got a wide angle lens.
Cool. I'm gonna get her getting lighters. Yeah, there we go. Lighting
Okay.
lighters.
Is this a 7-Eleven? Breathe more than new ideas.
Beep 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 beep.
Oh yeah, get the people sitting there just doing their thing.
Yeah, I'm getting customers paying. Sawadee-ka. You want to hear a horrid joke?
What's that?
Why did the Chinese man... why did the Thai woman... Sorry. Why did the Chinese man not like dating the Chinese woman? Or the Thai woman?
Wait,
I'm sorry, hold on. I gotta think of this joke again.
Here.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry,
okay.
let me try this again really hard. Okay.
Yeah.
Why did the Thai woman really... Wait, hold on a second.
Okay. All right. Why? Get your nationalities right, okay?
Hold on, let me think.
Okay.
Okay, so a Chinese guy goes to Thailand, right?
Right.
Because he can't get a wife in
Right.
China.
Okay, that's
So-
typical, yeah.
Right. And he goes and he finds a woman. And he goes, I need to learn your language, obviously, if I'm going to communicate with you, right?
谢谢啊.
So the guy goes... So the woman teaches him how to say it, right?
Yeah, what does
But
he say?
actually, secretly, you know how there's a lot of Chinese people in Thailand?
Take this,
like
please. That's freaking heavy.
This is the worst experience I've ever had.
Please explain.
This is-
What are you going on about? Okay.
Anyway, so
the
you know
Thai
there's a lot of
woman
Chinese...
likes the Thai man, or the
No, listen,
Chinese.
listen.
Okay.
You know how there's a lot of Chinese people in Thailand. There's
Yeah,
a
yeah.
Chinatown, Bangkok and stuff, right? So actually she was Belgian. She was a Belgian woman, like
Okay.
Chinese.
Yeah.
And the dude was like duped, right? Because he learned how to say hello, but actually she was Chinese. So every time that he said hello to her, she was like, okay, no problem. Because he said Sawadee-ka.
Oh, shut up. That's shit.
Isn't it horrible? My baby's dad told me that, and I almost cringed out of the room.
Yeah,
I was like, can you never tell jokes again?
exactly.
I can't, my bike won't stop because this shit.
Oh, it's got a kickstand thing.
Yeah.
There's a guy being a douche.
That was, everything's painful. We need to get in bed.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
What? Did you drop our stuff?
Yes, I did.
Don't do that.
I'm trying not to, dude. I would love to see you carry this on your motorcycle.
Oh,
Both bags.
Can you take a look here?
Both bags. Both.
Look, you've got storage space in a footwell.
Fuck's sake, we need to park these pieces of shit. I'm getting
It's over there.
delirio.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Glad we have this footage. This
Well,
is gonna
yeah,
be
me
just
too.
great.
Well, I mean,
Oh, shit.
7. Watch out! There's a
Yeah,
dude there.
yeah.
It's right here, dude.
I know.
All right.
Ow, I'm burning my leg on the hot pasta. Ow. Ow.
Well, you're the one who fucking got it.
Ow, hot pasta on the leg. Jiara. Jiagabi.
Johnny Rugaby.
Alright, take this off.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Yeah. It's all about in the thing.
Don't forget, guys, every single Monday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, go watch ADVChina. You can actually watch another one right here. Every single Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, go check out Lao 86. And right below that, you can watch SerpentZA every single Friday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thanks.